It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. We got to talk about the Bath and Body Works 20% off online only deal with free shipping on 75 plus. There's a little trick to this one. I'm going to tell you what it is because I just ordered, and then we're going to go over pricing. I'm going to give you some price points on a lot of stuff. But first, oh my gosh, you guys, a lot of people have been asking me about my inventory books. Woohoo! I've written a series of inventory books, journals, for candles, body care, everything. This is a candle inventory book, A to Z. You can put all your candles in here. This is a seasonal scent planner, every month in here. Seasonal candle inventory book. There's actually 6 of these. Some are in color, and they have my picture on the back. So if you want to head over to Amazon, I will put the link below. But thank you so much to everyone who's been ordering. If you share a picture on Instagram of yourself with the book, I will share it on my Instagram. So, let me put these down. Okay, gotta get organized here. Next up, oh my gosh. So I'm sitting here and I get an email. I was about ready to do a video and I get an email. I'm like, 20% off tonight, which of course, which Bath and Body Works knows you're gonna do. I placed an order because I never did do my order. I never did do the order yesterday on the scrubs because I had to pay shipping. I'm like, I'm gonna wait. So the 20% off, here's the trick though. You actually have to have over $75 after the discount. So what I did, and this is pretty common, what I did was I put $75 worth of stuff in my cart. I did the 20% off and I was not getting the free shipping. So you actually have to spend about $95 to $100 in order to get the free shipping, which I did. You have to use the code Spice It Up, and it's a good deal though, because it is a good deal on like that $100 range with the free shipping, because you're basically getting $20 off. So I was all about that. So now we're going to go through some of the best products, and we're going to go through price points. So as many of you know, the candle sale is still going on. By the way, I painted my nails tonight. Check it out. I got rid of the gold, which is chipping off, and now I have the black. So, candle sale. Let me grab my candles. There are basically 4 price points on the Bath and Body Works candles. There are, let me grab this, the $25 candles, which are like the coffee ones, any of those early fall candles, which include, there's a $24.50 range too. That's right. I forgot there's a lot of range. 24, 25, and 26. And then 36, Chasing Fireflies is just weird, it's 29. So the $24 candles are like the Fireside, the Pumpkin Bonfire, lots of good ones in the $24.95 range. So $24.95 divided by 2, because you do buy 2, get 2 free, minus 20%. You're going to pay $9.98 for the $24.95 candles. That's better than Candle Day. Well, it's basically Candle Day. It's like a Candle Day event. So this is all good. Okay, then we have the $25.95 candles, and those include, those are like the coffee one, pumpkin pecan waffles, sweet cinnamon pumpkin, if you want to get the pumpkin peanut brittle, which I did. I think I got that one. Divided by 2, that's going to be $12.97 minus 20%, $10.38 on the $25.95 candles. Still a really good deal. That is a phenomenal deal. Then the next price point is the $26 candles, which includes the beef jerky candle that I actually like. Also includes, this is beautiful, the pumpkin carving, some of the Halloween candles. I think the White Barn are 26. Yes, the White Barn are 26. So those are like the higher price point ones, but $26.95 divided by 2 minus 20%, 1078. That's still a really good deal. So you're talking like $9.98 to $10.78 for the bulk of the Bath & Body Works candles. Phenomenal deal. Now, let's do those special candles. Yes, the snake, the crown candle. I get my snake around here somewhere. Okay, those are $36.95. If you buy 4 of them, you're going to get them for $18.47 each, minus 20%, $14.78. So if you missed out on the snake, the crown, or the Moonlit Grave, I think that's Moonlit Grave. Like, what is that one called? Now is the time to get these Halloween candles, because it's not bad at $14.98. Especially, you know, if you wanted to try them. I mean, you could wait it out for another candle sale. That's kind of iffy. Everything else is like a total win. I wouldn't get Chasing Fireflies, and I would not get, I think it's the Endless, I don't know why, which one is it? It's the Wild Sands and Endless Sea. Those are $29. Why are those $29? I don't get it. That is so bizarre. But anything else, any of the other Halloween candles, the Vampire Blood, the Ghoul Friend, those are a go. And especially those $24 candles. Because if you get 4 for $9.98, that is a great deal. And then the free shipping on top of that, that is a total win. So candles are a go. Body care. Totally skip out on body care. The body care is buy 3, get 1. Not even remotely a good deal. Don't get soap. Anything that's like basically full price. I mean, I know it's like 5 for $27. I would avoid all that. What you're going to focus on are PocketBac holders, candle holders, and wallflower plug-ins. And there's some new ones. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to put a screenshot up of the squirrel and the mushroom. I got the squirrel. Oh, and we're going to talk about the castle. Okay. Let me do this. Body care. Where am I? Candles, candle holders. We're going to talk about, we are going to talk about that, castle in a minute. There we go. I got it now. Okay. So, there's a new squirrel. It looks flocked. Like, I got it. I got the squirrel. It reminds me of the Santa with the hands up. I don't know why I got the squirrel. I had to have the squirrel. The squirrel is on the way. And then the stoneware mushroom, I almost got it, but I'm like, it's kind of fall, kind of not. I'm like, I don't know. I'm going to regret not getting the mushroom. I know it. It's for a single wick, though. If it was for a 3-wick, I would have gotten the mushroom. I did not get the mushroom. But, next up, I want to talk about the Halloween luminary. I'm going to go grab it. I couldn't grab it and do the video. We're gonna grab that Halloween luminary. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I couldn't maneuver this and everything else. So the best deal right now with that 20% off coupon that you can buy online is going to be the Halloween luminary, which is $250. It's stunningly beautiful this year. It is a castle, but with the 20% off, you are going to get it for $200. I know that's an extreme price point. However, there's a little glow in the dark hands on the side there. Saving $50 on this is definitely a much better deal than paying the $250. So I just wanted to put that out there that if you want to get this today, it's not a bad idea. I'm going to set this right here so it doesn't fall. I got mine in the mail. It was really beautifully packaged in foam. I almost recommend buying these online only because you get the box and everything. I prefer buying these giant luminaries online. So that is a good deal. Okay. The clock. I love the clock, by the way, you guys. The clock is beautiful. This is $69.95. I still have to do a full review on this with starting up the clock. I have not done that yet. That's on my list. So 69.95 minus 20%. It's gonna be $55.96. Still a pricey piece. It's beautiful though. I gotta say, I love it. I saw someone online actually painted it. It was kind of interesting. What you can't get online, unfortunately, is the carriage. I don't even know if those are going to come back in stock. I was lucky enough to get the carriage early on, which I was so excited about. A couple of other pieces I would recommend getting tonight. The chalice. Oh my gosh. This is probably my second recommendation. I love this chalice, and this is a great deal because this is only it's $39.95, but with the 20% off, $39.95 minus 20%, you're gonna pay $31.96, which is much better. I love this. I think this is absolutely beautiful. This is an odd piece. It's the water globe with the witch hand. This is also $69, so it's gonna be like $55. It is a color changing piece. A lot of people don't like the hands. I get it, they're a little weird. So that is another piece that you can get. Is Skull King online tonight, or is this sold out? This is sold out online. This is a really popular piece. Unfortunately, this is sold out. But the man, woman, where did I put that? I got all my stuff behind me here. Where did it go? Oh my gosh. The holographic where it changes from the skull. That is, that's not bad. It's actually a nice piece. That's $34. The holographic portrait frame is $34.95 minus 20%. You're gonna pay $27 for that. So not a bad deal. Any of the smaller candle holders are a good deal. Oh, a lot of people love this. This is the pumpkin skull. So watch what happens. There's a button on the side. I love the button. Push the button and there's a skull inside. A lot of people love this. They think it's really classy, which I agree. And it looks really pretty with pumpkin carving. This has actually grown on me. I wasn't sure I loved it at first, but now that I've had it for a while, I love it. It's beautiful. And it's kind of like, not super Halloween. You can use it in the fall. $49.95. It's a little pricey, but it's beautiful. $49.95. Oops, 45,000. $49.95 minus 20%. $39.96 for that. And then wallflower plugs. All the Halloween wallflower plugs. Now is the time to get these 20% off. This is the snake one. I don't think they have, again, they don't, I don't know, let me see if they have the carriage. They might have the carriage in the wallflower. Let me see. Yes, they do. Okay, I will be right back again. I'm gonna grab it. I keep getting up. Okay, I had to grab a few more things. I can't fit everything behind my desk. So check it out. This is the carriage. Do I have my plug down here? No, I don't. This lights up. A lot of people like the black a lot better on the carriage than the silver behind me, but this is actually, it's pretty. And then there's, it lights up. It's like the Headless Horseman driving. It's really pretty. This is gorgeous. And then we have, the car fragrance. These are a good deal. I actually got one of these. I get a fall one. The snake and the roses and the car fragrance. And then the bat. I have not reviewed a lot of these yet. Here's the bat. And then here's the Skull King. I gotta review all of these. It's funny because this one looks actually, it doesn't look like the creepy soap one that looks like the alien for some reason. Look at that. I like it in the wallflower plug-in. I actually just looked online. The bat is sold out online. What the heck? Why is the bat sold out? It's beautiful. I gotta start reviewing these. So there's one more product that I think is a great deal tonight for the 20% off, and that is the perfume. I'm gonna put a screenshot up right here of Chasing Fireflies with that wood lid. I almost got that too. I don't know. I didn't know if I wanted it. I'm gonna wait. $54.95 minus 20%, $43.96 if you get the Chasing Fireflies in the perfume, and then the other one that's a good deal is the Manhattan Nightcap. That's remember I was saying I love it. Where did I put it? It's down here somewhere. It's got that cherry santal in it. Absolutely wonderful scent. $44.95 minus 20%. You're gonna pay $34.96. Start thinking about Christmas right now with that 20% off. I think a lot of people are going to be really excited. The only kind of bummer is that if you bought candles yesterday, they were the 20% off. I don't know if they're honoring that. If you call, I have no idea. But 20% off today is a really good deal on these candles. I mean, these are seriously last year's. I had last year's up there. Pumpkin carving. This isn't like this is the year before. Like, check it out. Little 2 pumpkin carvings going on there. I like this design though. This is a really good deal on candles. So I would focus on any of the pocket back holders, wallflower plug-ins, candle holders, perfume, the castle, that kind of stuff. That's going to be your best deal for the 20% off, the car fragrance. And I'm sure there's going to be another body care sale coming up at some point. You know, there always is. So, yeah, I think a lot of people are going to be shopping tonight. This is exciting. I am really excited. I'm glad I got my order in. I got 4 candles. I got the candle. I got the squirrel. And I'm thinking about doing a second order. What's nice is with the free shipping, if you decide to do a second order because you kind of decide, maybe I'd like that too, you're not going to pay shipping, so it's not a big deal. So anyway, oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're shopping tonight, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.